Hello everyone, myself Sadiq. I am faculty of Gurdeva English Medium Higher Primary School. I am from Maths Department. First, I would like to welcome you all 5th standard students for new academic year 2021-22. Dear students, learning is a lifelong process. You have learned some subjects in school. Among them is mathematics. Okay, here you are learning this mathematics since from 4 to 5 years. So I hope you know that what is mathematics. I hope you all know that what is mathematics. Now I will tell the mathematics is a study of shapes, numbers and patterns. Okay, this is a simple definition of a mathematics. So next we will see an importance of mathematics. What are all the importance of mathematics we will see. That is encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking and creative thinking, spatial thinking and problem solving ability. Then and even you will learn the communication skill. Okay, you will learn a communication skill. These are the importance of mathematics. So you have to be learn very well with the more interest. First you have to be focus on the subject. You have to be love the subject. Then itself you can able to learn anything. So I hope you all of you have interest in a mathematics. Now let us see an branches of mathematics. Here are the few branches in a mathematics. Those are geometry, algebra, calculus, statistics and probability. These are the few branches of a mathematics. In this we will learn an algebra part and geometry part for this year. Next part you will learn in a higher classes. So dear students, first we will see an number system. Here you have already learned this number system in a previous year also. Once again we will take a revision. Okay. So here in the number system, first you will see an two types of number system. What are the two types of number system you will see? That is Indian system and a international system. These are the two system you will see under a number system. So you have to be know very well these two system, because our mathematics is applicable in our daily life. Is it? You are going to market to buy some vegetable, some fruits, and you are going to a cloth shop and general stores. Everywhere, okay, everywhere the mathematics is applicable. So you have to be know well. Okay, so if you want to know well and those all, you must have to be know these two systems well. Let us see what these two system tells. First we will see an Indian system. Here in this Indian system, the four places will comes. 4 units will come. Those are ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. These are the 4 units comes under the Indian system. Next, under the ones unit, what are the places it will come? Those are ones, tens, hundred. These are the 3 places comes under a ones unit. Next, in a thousands unit. In thousands unit, you will see an 2 places. Is it? How many places you are seeing here? 2. 1, 2. Thousand, 10,000. These are the 2 places. Next, in a lakhs unit. Lakh, 10 lakh. Crores. Crore, 10 crore. These are the related for Indian system. Now, how we have to be write up numbers? How we have to be write the numbers for these places, that we will see. Here ones place. Ones place means it comes only one digit. Okay, it has only one digit. So I have written here has a 1. Next, 10. 10 means it will come at 2 digit. So I have written 2 digit here. 10 itself I have written. You can take any number. You can write here 12, 13, 14, 15, Okay, any number you can take here. Then in the 100 place, how many digits will come? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits will come in the 100 place. Here also you can write any digit. I have taken 100 itself. Okay. Now 1000. In the 1000 place, how many digits will come? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. One digit will goes on increasing. Okay, here see, here is a 4 and here is a 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. In this way, it is goes on increasing of one digit to the left side. To the left side, it is going to be increasing. So this is about an thousands place. Next, in a lakhs place. Lakhs place, you will see a lakh, 10 lakh. So I have written here as a 10 lakh and 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Now you have to know. Now I hope you all of you have understood by this Indian system. This you can call as an Indian place value chart also. Both are same. Now how to divide the digits? You have to be divide the digit according to the Indian system means 3 digits, 3, 2, 2, 2. In this way you have to divide. For example, I will write here 22,462. Okay, this is a one example regarding to an Indian system. Now how you will you divide this? That is, first you have to divide in 3 numbers, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Next you have to divide in 2. Okay, here is a no number. If you divide means also okay. It is not necessary. If any number arises here, 1. Now you have to be divide here. Now how will you read this? It is in the which place? 1, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Is it 1 lakh 22,462? In this way you have to read. You have to be write on places. Okay, if you don't know number how to read, you write the places on the numbers, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Then you can able to read the numbers very easily. This is all about an Indian system. Next, in an international system. Here in the international system also, it comes on 3 places. Here it comes on 4 places. Here it comes on 3 places. Those are ones, thousand, million. Okay, these are the 3 places we will see in a international system. This also you can tell has an international place value chart also. Okay. Now in the ones unit, you will see in 3 places. Ones, tens, 100. Same as Indian system. This ones unit. In the ones place I have written 1 and in the 10 place I have written 2 digit because 10 means it is having a 2 digits. Is it? Yes. Next, hundreds. And in the 100 place, it is having a 3 digits. So I have written here as a 3 digit. You can take any number. Okay. Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. See here, in our international system, in the 1000 place, it will comes in 3 places. In the 1000 unit, it will comes in 3 places. Here in the Indian system, it will comes in only 2 places. You should not get confused. Okay, you should not get confused. You have to be understand well. In the Indian system, only 2 places will comes under a 1000 unit. Next, in the international system, in the 1000 place, in the 1000 unit, the 3 places will comes. Those are 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Next, here it will comes at millions. You should not write lakh here. You have to write here millions. Millions, under millions unit comes million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this is about an international system. Now how you will divide the unit? Let us write here 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now you have to divide the numbers according to the international system means you have to divide 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Here you have to divide each number. You have to divide 3, 3. Okay. Here you want first 3. Next all you have to divide as 2. Okay. Two numbers you have to divide in a Indian system. In international, all 3 numbers. This is our turn. Now how you have to read this? This is an 1 million. See here, this will comes under the millions. Is it? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After 1000, what it will come? It will come as million. So you have to write here million, million. Okay? 1,256,000. Okay, 256,789. In this way you have to read. Okay, you write down what I am writing on the board. First, whenever you watch the video, you take one book, pen, pencil, eraser, and textbook. These all materials should be with you while you are watching this mathematics subject. Each and everything you have to be note down in your rough notebook. Then only you can know the point well. I hope all of you have understood by this two system. Again we will learn about this more, but you have to know only this now. Okay. Next, numbers. Here which are all the numbers you can substitute here in the ones place, thousand place, lakhs place, crore place. These are the numbers we can substitute. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the numbers we can substitute under these places. Next, face value and place value. This is very important. Okay, you have to know this very well. All the topics will very helpful in your life. You should not forget. So you have to know very well this. Okay. Next, face value and place value. Here, if they have given one number, okay, one number they have given here, that is 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. This is under which place? You have to see how they have divided the numbers. Here they have divided. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3 after 3 digits. Next, 1, 2, 3 after 3 digits. Now you can easily decide that this is in a international system. Okay, so here they have round up for 7. 7 will comes under which place? That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, 7 will comes under the thousand place. So the face value of 7 is 7 itself. The face value of 7 is 7 itself. If they have asked face value means the number itself you have to be right in a face value. Then in a place value. In a place value you have to be multiply with the face value with the place value. Okay, now face value what we got 7. Face value we got here 7. Next, place value what we have here, that is 1000. Here you have to write 1000. Now you have to be multiply with this number. Now what will you get? You will get a 7000. Okay, in this way you have to find a face value and place value. Dear students, in this way itself you solve few problems on this. Okay, you solve 10 problems on this, then you will be perfect with this face value and place value, and you have to be practice with this two system also, Indian system and an international system. Dear students, you learn now what I have explained. These topics learn very carefully. Okay, you must and should you have to learn all this, because all these topics will helpful in your life. Okay, you should not be forget this all. So you learn very carefully with interesting. Okay, this is all about the today's topic. Thank you.